is not going to protect you. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be talking about how to use your skincare product, because there's a difference between how to use your skincare product and how to layer your skincare product. There's a difference. There's a lot of people out there that do not know how to use their products. Like the other day, I had someone reach out to me on Instagram. So we got talking, and guys, this person actually uses a face cleanser. She dispensed it onto a cotton pad and applies it onto her face, let it dry before going on with the rest of her product. She doesn't rinse off her face cleanser. When I heard this, I was shocked. Come on, really? But I'm sure she's not the only one on this table, and that's where I come in. I'm going to show you how to use your skincare product the right way, the correct way, so you stop making mistakes that will cost you a whole lot. So let's go. So we're going to be focusing on the basic products: your face cleanser, your moisturizer, your sunscreen, your toner. Yeah, just the basic products. So starting with face cleanser, we have two types of cleansers. We have the water-based cleanser like this one, and the oil-based cleansers like your cleansing oil, your cleansing balm, right? When you're using your oil cleanser, this comes first. Either you're using an oil cleanser or a cleansing balm or a micellar water, it comes first. So when using this oil cleanser, you should apply this on a dry skin. Don't apply it on your wet skin. Apply it on a dry skin. So let's say you have your makeup on, right? I'm going to leave a video while I'm explaining so you can see all the process. So what you need to do, you take a few pumps of your oil cleanser onto your palm, rub it in just like so, it dispenses onto your palm everywhere. Then you apply it onto your skin in a circular motion like this. Just apply it everywhere, your brows, your lashes, and everything, and you see that your makeup will be melting off. So when you are sure that okay, your makeup has melted off, then you take a few drops of water onto your palm, rub it, and rub it onto your face. Then you see something like a milky look. You can just rub it in for like 30 seconds. Then after that, you rinse off with water. So when you are using your water-based cleanser, even if you're not double cleansing or you just want to use your water-based cleanser, right? Because if you're not double cleansing, no need to start off with your oil cleanser. Your water-based cleansers like this is what you should use first. Apply it onto a wet skin. So if you do not have water on your face, just take water on your palm and rub it. Then take a few drops of your water-based cleanser onto your palm, rub it in until it starts forming on your palm before you apply it onto your skin, and rub it in a circular motion on your face, and rub it for like 30 to 60 seconds, right? That is the ideal time to effectively cleanse your skin, to remove all the dirt from your skin. If you're using your cleansing balm, all you have to do, just take out a little from the cleansing balm onto your palm, rub it, and rub it onto your makeup the same way you did it for your cleansing oil. Moving on to your toners. So we have different types of toners still. We have the exfoliating toners, we have hydrating, we have moisturizing toners. Exfoliating toners like this one, this contains BHA like salicylic acid, and this contains AHA like glycolic acid. Hydrating toners like this one, moisturizing toners like this one, right? So they all have different techniques to use them. So for your exfoliating toners like this, it is best to use them using a cotton pad like this, right? So you're going to get a cotton pad, apply this liquid onto the cotton pad like this, make it wet, swipe it across your face. That way you will effectively exfoliate your skin, remove the dead skin cells from your skin, because that is the major purpose of your exfoliating toners. While your hydrating toners and moisturizing toners, you can apply them using a cotton pad, no problem. Like you just press it into your skin like that, or the method that I use that I love is applying them onto my palm like this. Just take a few and rub it in, then apply it onto my skin like this. Just press it onto my skin like this, or rub it in a circular motion like this onto my skin. That's the method I use. You can also apply it directly onto your skin like this. Rub it in, apply, rub like that. That method also works. Also remember that you should apply your exfoliating toners on a dry skin, like your skin should be completely dried, while the moisturizing and the hydrating toners, apply them on a damp skin. So for your essences, right, like this one, either you apply it onto your palm, you take a few drops like this and apply it onto your palm, and rub it onto your skin, right? Or you can apply it directly onto your skin like this. Just rub it in like this, press it onto your skin like this, press it onto your skin and just rub it in. So you can do it this way. When you are using your palm, make sure you apply a lot of product so that your palm doesn't take off everything and you just apply nothing on your skin. Your palm will definitely take off a little, but be sure that you have enough that is going onto your skin. For your essences, you have to always remember to apply it on a damp skin. Damp skin, not wet skin, because there's a difference. A damp skin is when your skin is almost getting dried, while a wet skin is a skin that is filled with water. Yeah, always remember to apply it on a damp skin. For your serums could come in different packagings. Like, so all you have to do is take a little of your serum, right, and apply it onto your skin. But be very, very careful so that this dropper doesn't touch your skin, because it could, when this dropper touches your skin, it could contaminate it and contaminate the whole serum, because when it touches your skin, it goes back into here and it could contaminate the whole serum. So be very, very careful when you are dropping it onto your skin. You could also drop this onto your palm like this and apply it onto your skin. But why I do not like this method is the fact that your palm might take up everything, and what is now left to be applied on your skin might just be little. So that's why I prefer to use the dropper bottle. It is easier and you're sure that you are getting everything onto your skin. For your moisturizers, depends on the packaging they come in. Either they come in a tube or in a jar like this. So all you have to do is open up your moisturizer. If it comes in a tube, take a little onto your finger like this and just apply it onto your skin and rub it in. If it comes in a jar, open it up and take it out from the jar, like take out from it and apply it onto your skin like that. Be very careful that your hands are always clean while you are taking from your jar, because your hands could contaminate this jar and make it contaminated, and that is not good for your skin at all. So be very, very, very careful. And your moisturizer should always be applied on a damp skin. You'll get better results when you apply it on a damp skin. While your sunscreen should be applied last in your skincare routine, and it should be applied on a completely dry skin. Always. Your sunscreen should not be applied on a wet skin, so it stays on the surface on the skin and works and does the job that it is supposed to do. The quantity that you should take for your sunscreen matters a lot. I see people taking this quantity and applying it. This is not going to protect you. It is definitely not going to protect you. Be generous with it. Like, be very generous with it, because it is best. Be generous with it, because it is better to have a lot and be well protected than have little and not be protected. Using the 2-finger rule is going to help you to measure the quantity that you're supposed to take, but you have to apply it generously. I really do hope this video is going to help you moving forward, so now you can confidently say, oh, I know how to use my product, and you're not doing the guesswork or you're not using it the wrong way. I hope you've learned something from today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, because this is what helps my channel to grow. I have a lot of other videos that you're definitely going to enjoy on this channel. They are fun, educating, and interesting, like this one that you've watched. So I'll see you in this video. Don't go away.